Hello guys, welcome. My name is Nanduvardhan Reddy from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering from IT A section, first year. Today's topic is insertion of an element in an array, one-dimensional array. It is an ordered list which consists of a fixed number of homogeneous data elements. An array is a primitive data structure. These elements are stored in successive memory locations according to size of data types. Array is also referred as set of index, comma value. Next concept structure. Here is this is a of 0, 0 index, element is 10, a of 1 index, element is 5, a of a 2 index, element is 46, a of 3 index at the index 3, element is 2, and so on like this. Okay, this is a data element value, and this is the index. This 0, 1, 2, 3 are indexes of this array. Insert operation. The insert operation is performed by shifting all the elements one position ahead from the index I to n minus 1, where I is the specified index for new element is to be inserted, and adding the new element to the array at the specified index position. For example, index for insertion is I equal to, and the new element is 17 with n equal to 6. Then max is the size of the array here. Array before insertion at 0 index 10, 1 index 5, second index 46, third index 2, fourth index 100, fifth index 97, and so on. Okay. Here we should insert position at index 2 with n equal to element is 17. Next, move all elements from insert position I to n minus 1 towards right set by one position. Here we should forward this all these. We should forward second to fourth, fourth to 5. Second, we should insert at second position. So second position should be shifted to third position should be shifted to fourth, and so on like that. Okay. Then we should insert element 17 at the position 2. Next, array after shifting 10, 5, 46, 2, 197. Insert index position. Okay, shifted elements. Okay. After array after insertion. Now insert new data element 17 at given index positions 2. Here we should insert at position 2. The element is 17. So at the index of an array, second index of an array is 17. Before that insertion, the index is same element was there. The specified position we should insert 17 element. Then remaining elements should be moved ahead one position. For every new element inserted, the number of elements, that is n, should be increased by 1. If n equal to max minus 1, then array is full and insertion operation cannot be performed, as there is no space for new element in the array. C program to insert an element in an array. C program is to insert an element in an array. For example, consider an array we have obtained having 3 elements in it initially, and a not equal to 0, a1 at 1 index, equal to at second index at 2 index is 3, and you want to insert a number 45 at location 1, that is we have 0 equal to 45, so we have to move element one step below. So after insertion we have 1 equal to 1, which was a not initially, and the A2 equal to 2 and A3 equal 3. Array insertion does not mean increasing its size. That is, array will not contain 11 elements. Here, hash include preprocessor directive int main int array of 100 position c comma n comma value printf. Enter the number of elements in an array. Scanf percentage d comma n printf. Enter percentage d elements comma n. For c equals 0, c less than n. C plus scanf percentage d comma ampersand. We should address the value of an element. Printf. Enter the location where you wish to insert an element in. Scanf percentage d comma the we should give the position here. I ampersand position. Printf. Enter the value to insert. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand value. For c equal to n minus 1, c is greater than or equal to 0 minus 1, c plus plus. Array of c plus plus, c plus 1 equal to array of c. Array of position minus 1 equal to value. Printf resultant array in array. For c equals 0, c less than equal to c less than or equal to n, c plus plus. Printf percentage d comma array of c return 0. This is the code what we have to write to insert an element at a position, at a certain position. Then we'll get an output. Enter the element in an array. 5. Enter 5 elements. Number of elements you should add is 2, 5, 4, 3. Your wish. These 5 numbers is your wish. Enter the location where you wish to insert an element at 4th index. So enter the value to be inserted. At 4th index, what value you want to insert? You should give here. Then resultant array is 2, 5, 4, 10, 3, 8. It will increase. It was inserted at the 4th position. Okay. Thank you.